back to my channel. So it's been a while since I really did like a, you know, big cosmetic haul or Sephora haul. It seems like I didn't go to Sephora in ages. I did go to Sephora in Poland, but they had prices were just crazy. Although they had Chanel makeup in there, so hello Sephora, why can't we have Chanel makeup in Sephora in America? So anyway, if you guys are VIB, Rouge VIB members, you probably know that the Sephora has their VIB summer sale. So if you're at a Rouge, you can start shopping today. The code is the summer save. So again, if you're a Rouge member, it means you are spending way more money than anybody else, which is crazy. So you can start shopping today, and tomorrow VIB people can start shopping. So the sale pretty much goes up to from 19th to the 27th of the August. So I've picked up a few things. I've got some gift cards that I wanted to use, and I did place an online order this morning, so there will be more stuff coming, but I want to share with you a couple of things that I've got and a couple of recommendations. Why not? So here it is, you guys. This is the bag. I went to the store, and like I said, I had a couple of gift cards. These were from the Ebates, by the way. Ebates, or what is the new name? I don't know, they changed the name. The Ebates kind of renamed, but you know what I mean. Whatever you shop, you kind of accumulate the points, and usually instead of getting the money back like a check in the mail, I convert those into the gift cards. So I usually get Sephora gift card because then I feel like I have a free money to spend. So anyway, couple of things, you guys, I've got. So a couple of things are very new to me, so I want to share with you. So let's start with one of my favorites brands on Sephora is Laneige. So what I've picked up, you guys, by the way, this is the package, and what I've picked out is this. It says skin toner for normal to dry skin. I tested, look at this beautiful bottle. How stunning is that? I tested in the store. It is a little bit it's not like your typical toner. It's very watery. It actually has some more kind of a, I don't want to say substance, but it's a little thicker than your normal toner, so I wouldn't use this on a cotton pad. What I'm planning to do is to, you know, pour a little bit in my hand, and as I usually do, kind of pat and pat and pat and pat around my face. So if you have a kind of a dryish skin like me, you are going to love this, because generally I think Laneige is kind of leaning towards people with the problem skins, like dry skin. Of course they create products for everybody, but I feel like this line of products works so well for me. So I didn't try it, but I have a high hopes. The next thing I've got, you guys, is the Essence Water Bank Essence for all skin types, also from the Laneige. This product, when I checked online, had amazing reviews. It was like a 5-star reviews for everything, so of course I had to get it. This is how it looks like. Again, I love the bottle, and there's you know, dispenser, so you have a pump, so it's nice, and this is all glass, so it feels really nice. So again, I tested at the store, and you know, I think you can use this instead of the serum. This is how I kind of understand, or you can just put this and then serum on top of it, because again, it has like it's a little thicker substance, and you know, it's not quite watery. So I have a high hope for this as well. And then, you guys, I'm actually running out of the face cleanser. If you've seen my latest empties video, you saw that I ran out of the Chanel foaming cleanser, which is Chanel's cleansers are like my top favorite. So I was gonna go on the Chanel website and order another one, but then I came across this one, and the one that I'm finishing right now, by the way, is the Shiseido Ibuki cleanser. So I know the Shiseido cleansers are very good, so I came across this one, and this is Shiseido Clarifying Cleansing Foam. So it is not the from the Ibuki line. I assume it's different. I haven't had this one before. This is how it looks like. Has like a red cap. It's all locked because, you guys, I haven't used anything yet, so this is something new to me. So hopefully, yeah, it says work up in a rich lather and massage over face. So I like to use these with my Clarisonic. I usually use some kind of oil, which we're gonna talk about this in a second, just to take my makeup off, and then I use some kind of a mousse cleanser on top of my either Clarisonic or Luna. When I travel, I just take Luna with me because it's easier, and I just double cleanse. This is kind of my routine. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this because, like I said, I'm almost out of the Ibuki cleanser, which I usually, it's funny, the Ibuki you can buy in the TJ Maxx or Marshalls. You can always save a little bit of money, but yeah, I really wanted to try this. I might still go for the Chanel at some point, but why not? Let's have a little change. All right, the next thing, you guys, what I came across is this funny looking device. This called a face mask applicator. You guys know how much I love masking. So you guys, this is the device. So it looks, you have like it's all silicone, by the way. So as you can see, there's like a spatula here on this end, and the other end, it looks like a toothbrush. So it's like a silicone kind of a toothbrush. It's very soft. So I assuming you can do some exfoliating with that part, and this will be perfect for applying like a balm mask or something, you know. Oh, this is actually very nice, and you know, the silicone doesn't collect the bacteria or anything. You can just rinse it under the hot water and it's gonna be perfect. So yeah, so this is the Sephora brand, and looks nice. I'm looking forward to use it. I also picked up another beauty blender, and I'm thinking that probably I did wrong. I should have picked up the whole set, but you can never go wrong with the beauty blender, and I just needed another one, so maybe I'll start add it to my cart, like, you know, the whole set of the beauty blenders. All right, and then you guys, I wanted to try the Bare Mineral powder blush. This is one of those, I think they called it like a bouncy blushes from the newer line. I did not try it yet. This is the packaging, by the way. This is how it looks like, and I picked up mine in a Pink Me Up. This is actually when I tested at the store. It's more, I would say it's like a hybrid between pink and peach. So it's not quite very pink and not quite, I think it's maybe it's more peachy than pink. Take a look at this swatch if you can see it. I'm trying to the light. I'm always filming with the natural light, so sometimes it's hard to see, but there we go. Yeah, it looks like it feels like, when I swatch it, it feels like it's cream, but then when you apply to your hand, it feels more like powder. So it's like a cream to powder. I don't know. So I'm looking forward to try this one. And then before I left for Poland, I bought myself a new lipstick from Becca, and this is actually another one. The one that I purchased was in the color Petal, which I absolutely love it, and I've got so many compliments on that lipstick. I'm gonna link that lipstick as well down below. Everything will be down below, you guys. But I've picked up another one, and this one is in the Sorbet. This is a beautiful, like a golden shiny packaging, and I don't know if those lipsticks are out for a while, you guys, or maybe I've been just living under the rock. Love the gold bullet, absolutely stunning. And what I love about those lipsticks, it's magnetic. Do you see this? How cool. So anyway, the color is my typical color, you guys. I'm gonna swatch it right here. How beautiful is that? It's It's like your lips but better, you know, you just get a little color. And the entire formula of those lipstick is just so creamy, because I really hate matte lipstick, but the creamy formula, amazing. Okay, something that it's not new to my channel, that I've talked about a million times, and you saw this in my empties, you saw this in my recommendation, is the Pro Beauty Blender cleanser. This is the humongous package. So this one is, you know, because usually I used to buy those little white soaps, but since I discovered this probably a year and a half ago, this is the only ones that I've been buying and using. Let me open this up for you guys so I can actually show you how it looks like. There we go. So it's look like just a black, you know, kind of big soap, as you can see, but I keep it in here if you need this for, you know, kind of helping to if you don't use this for your blender, beauty blender, use this for your brushes if you want to clean your brushes. And I pretty much just kind of swirl my beauty blender in here, you know, with the water, and just cleans beautifully. This tub is usually lasting me for 5 to 6 months, and I wash my beauty blender every single day before I do the makeup. So yeah, this is really, I know it's $45. You can take advantage of the discount, obviously, so it is a little pricey, but if you think about it's gonna last you for such a long time, it's worth every penny. Something new to me, you guys, I've picked up the Hourglass eyeshadow, and this is one in the, by the way, this is the packaging, this is the one in the pods. I love those eyeshadows that you can get in those little cute jars, and it says Hourglass in here. Mine is in the color Smoke. I was going for like the lightest one. There's like a little top, and I'm sure I have to keep this because it's probably gonna get dry. So oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. Take a look at this stunning color. I was going more for like a champagne, yeah, kind of a champagne color. I'm not sure if you can tell. Oh, there we go, you can tell now. See how pretty? It's right there. How beautiful. So I thought this would be perfect color for, you know, the eyelids, so you can have a little bit sparkle. They have many different colors, but that's what I wanted to go for. I just thought it's just gonna give me like a little, you know, accent on top, because I've been so recently into the matte colors. The one that I have today is the Dior Dream quad, which I'm gonna link it down below as well. Such a great quad from Dior, because you have all matte colors and then you can always add something. So I thought this will go perfectly with that quad or any other, you know, eye combination. So again, this one is in Smoke, yeah, so pretty. And the last thing, you guys, I think this is the last thing I've picked up. This is nothing new. This is actually something that I had before. I used it up. This is the Makeup Breakup Cleansing Oil from, how do you say it, Boscia, I don't know. But this is how it looks like. This product has such an amazing reviews on their website, on the Sephora website. There we go. So I like to use something like this. I always switch around, you guys, but this is such a great product. I just take a pump or two on the dry hand, and I just kind of work it out into my face. This will completely remove any traces of makeup, and then I'm gonna take my Clarisonic and my foam cleanser, and I just do the second cleanse. So yeah, so this is one of the things. I have Bobbi Brown oil, which I'm almost done with, so I purchased this one just to kind of switch around, because you know, I like to try different oils, and why not? I had this before, and I really like it, so I thought I'll try it again. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. I will link all the items that I have that I show you today in the description box. There's still gonna be a little bit more that I'm gonna be purchasing, so I'll probably do another video once the online order will come in, so I can share with you more goodies. And yeah, If there's any questions, please let me know. Make sure if you subscribe to my channel if you are new, ring the bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!